Hello, and welcome to our discussion on the error message no data within selection. This error typically indicates that the system could not find any records that match the criteria you have specified when you selected the request no and planner and processed it on the Birkin 2203999 transaction or report within the Infor Kanban system. When you encounter this error message, it means that there are no matching records based on the criteria you have entered. This could be due to a variety of reasons, such as incorrect input or the absence of data that matches the specific parameters you have set. To address this issue, you may need to review the criteria you have set for the request number and planner to ensure that they accurately reflect the data you are trying to retrieve. It's also important to verify that the information you are searching for exists within the system. By being mindful of these factors and making any necessary adjustments, you can effectively resolve the no data within selection error and successfully retrieve the information you need within the Infor Kanban system. Thank you for tuning in to this discussion on the error message no data within selection. We hope this information has been helpful in understanding and addressing this issue within the Infor Kanban system.